So we're going to practice another um, feature command. So we're going to start by clicking the sketch button. We'll draw this on the front plane. Click the front or N on your keyboard. And for this, you can use, I'll just use the line tool. You can use a rectangle. Um, remember to keep your lines horizontal and vertical and on the same path. So first thing I want to do is dimension these. So I'm going to create a rectangle that is 4 inches by 1 inch. Again, you can escape on your keyboard to break your command, or right click and escape whatever it is, whatever tool you're in. So you'll know you're in your regular course cursor when your cursor is white like this. If you're in a command, you'll have the crosshairs like this. So after you have your 1 inch by 4 inch rectangle, accept your sketch. Rotate around a little bit, or hit the corner of your cube block. You can always hit this little cube down here. You can change the views as well. So I can click isometric. It will automatically bring me to this view. So I'm going to go to the extrude button or Shift E on my keyboard. Face I want to extrude, and I'm going to bring this out 5 inches. So I'm going to change this depth here to 5. Accept it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to give this what's called a chamfer. It basically rounds, instead of rounding over the edges, it adds an angle. Okay, so up here in the toolbar, it says chamfer. If I click this, we're going to select the top 2 lines and the bottom 2 lines. So if I select the edge, you'll know you're selecting it when it's highlighted orange. I'm going to select both these edges, and then you'll have to kind of rotate to the bottom using the right click and holding the right click on your mouse key, or using the navigational cube. And this is set at distance 0.5. We're going to leave it as such. If it's not 0.25, just change this number to 0.25. Want to do that, I accept. And it gives us a chamfered or a beveled edge. It basically puts an angle on our shape. And that's something we do after we extrude it. Now we could draw our sketch with those angles, right? I could go back to my sketch and draw this with angles, but sometimes it's easier to do the extrusion after. That's a feature chamfer.